Layering in Goodnotes is definitely a feature that the app is missing, so you kind of have to do it a certain way. Let me show you the easiest and best way to layer your stickers so it actually makes sense. Let's talk about laying stickers in Goodnotes. This is probably one of the biggest downfalls to the Goodnotes app is their lack of layering features. And whenever you think about layering stickers in Goodnotes, it needs to be exactly the same as how you would think about layering stickers on a paper planner. So if you first brought in, so let's just do an example here, just a whole brand new example. If you brought in this winter sticker, long press, drag and drop to bring it over, and then I'm going to delete these. And then you brought in a box. Say you just brought in this sticky note. And you wanted this flag to be over top of the sticky note. But because we brought the flag in first and the sticky note in second, this sticky note is on top of the flag. So to be able to change this, you're going to have to click on the sticky note, click these three dots, and hit back. And that will send it to the back. Now, if you have more than 2 stickers, you have to kind of think about it a little bit in terms of what you want. So let's say we also wanted like a snowflake. So we wanted a snowflake, but let's say that we wanted it right here, but we still didn't want it on top of the flag. We wanted it to be the middle layer between the sticky note and the flag. What you'd have to do now, since this snowflake is technically on top, you would have to click on this sticker that you wanted to be on top, click on it, hit these 3 dots, and hit front. And now that would move that sticker to the front, this sticker to the middle, and that sticker to back. So that is how you layer stickers in Goodnotes, and how you can kind of create like a layered effect with your stickers and how you can move them back and forth.